Hello my dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel in your mathematics class with your Ashu ma'am. So dear students, we are doing 10.2 exercise, and in my previous video I explained you how to do question number 1 of 10.2 exercise. Now in this video I'll explain you question number 2 and how to do question number 3. I'll show you. So before doing this, subscribe my channel if you like my videos and press the bell icon to get the notifications for my upcoming videos. So let's start question number 2. So in question number 2, what is given to you? Draw a map of your classroom using proper scale and symbols for different objects, right? So let me explain you how to make a map of your classroom. Again, draw this map in your practical notebook and write the symbols on the right hand side of the notebook. So in this way, dear students, you have to make. Here I have made a map for you. This is question number 2, 10.2 exercise. So this is the map of your classroom. First of all, we are going to enter. We start entering through a gate or door. 8th class is written outside your class. So here I have drawn a dustbin. Then green board is there, and opposite to the gate near the green board, teacher's table is there, teacher's chair is there. Then I have represented the desk, student's desk in the classroom. You can represent many more desks in the classroom. I have represented 6 desks along with 2 chairs, right? Now the 2 windows are there. One is on the left hand side of your room and other is on right hand side. And at the back side, on the back side wall of your classroom, here is a display board. So dear students, so what are the symbols I have used now? Let us discuss the symbols. First of all, the length of your room is 10 meter and the breadth is 8 meter. I have taken 8 meter, but the scale which I have used is 1 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Means we can't represent a meter because meter is bigger than centimeter. We can't represent a meter on the board or in a notebook. So we are using centimeters because we are using our simple scale which we used to keep in our geometry box. So that is in centimeters, but we are representing 1 centimeter by 1 meter, right? So for the gate, dear students, I have what symbol I have used for the gate? This box and with a single handle. You can see this, I have made a handle. For the windows, a door, a box with 2 handles. So this is the symbol. For the dustbin, a circle and a center dot is there. This is for the lid of the dustbin. And this is dustbin. You can make it in a cuboidal form also, means rectangular, right? Then a chair and teacher's table with 2 legs are given to us. We'll mention it. Desk with 2 benches, 2 chairs are given to us. And display board, I have made it with red box. So these are the symbols which I have used to represent the map of your classroom. You have to make this map on the left hand side, that is the white side of your practical notebook, right? And now let us and you have to write the scale on the right hand side of your practical notebook, and on the right hand side and left hand side write down the questions also. Now how to represent the symbols on right hand side? Let me show you. So dear students, let us start from the gate. So we will mark the gate like this with 1 handle and we will write it as gate. That this symbol is used for gate. Then we will make window pane with 2 handles. So we will write it here window, right? Then let us mark a symbol for dustbin and we'll use the color which we have used for dustbin. We have used red color, so I'll represent it with red and I'll write that this is the dustbin, right? Then the red circle I have used for the chairs, for teacher's chair as well as student's chair. So this is chair, okay, right? Then this D and a number, this is represented for desk, student's desk, and teacher's table with four legs. We can represent four legs like this, otherwise it will become similar to window. So make it as like this, that this is teacher's table, teacher's table, right? Then next, what is left? We have covered each and everything. Now display board is left, so let us make a display board like this. So to represent it, we'll make a box with this decoration and we'll write this as a display board. So dear students, this is what you have to do in your question number 2, right? Draw this again, once again I'm repeating, draw this map on left hand side, plain side of your practical notebook, and write down the details, the scale and the symbols on right hand side, and question should be written on both the sides, left hand side as well as right hand side. Similarly, you have to do third question, draw a map of your school compound using proper scale and symbols for various features like playground, main building, garden, etc. So this will be your activity to be done by yourself. And fourth question also, draw a map giving instructions to your friend so that she reaches your house without any difficulty. So both the questions you have to do yourself. So let me explain you fourth question briefly to you so that you will be able to draw this map for your friend also. So dear students, draw a map giving instructions to your friend too so that she reaches your house without any difficulty. So I have taken this as a friend's house and this is yours house or my house. You can write it here as my house, right? Now for example, this is near it is in Sadar Bazaar. तो ये सदर बाज़ार में है, तो she start walking. This is the road, so we will write it as a Nicholson road. इस रोड को हम लिख देंगे, this is Nicholson road. This is Nicholson road. ये यहाँ पर here is the theater बना देते हैं. Theater, she enters on this is the map, this is the roundabout. Let us make a roundabout. So dear students, your friend's house is in Market. What route you have shown for her? That follow the Nicholson road. Then this is the Jagadri road. You can write it here as JR, Jagadri road. By following it, सीधा सीधा आना है. Here is SJ College, Bharatiya Public School, and follow the left turn. You have to tell her follow left turn. Then gate 1 is there just at the back side of BPS, and adjacent to that my house is there. So this kind of map should be drawn for your friend to reach your house. This is again your activity. Do not copy it from the video. Try to make it yourself and then show the symbols also used. This is for roundabout, okay? This is for roundabout. One more roundabout you can show here where civil hospital is there. Here is also a roundabout. So these are the roundabouts which you can show. So you have to mention the symbols also, and you can write the scale as 1 kilometer is equal to 1 centimeter. You can represent like this. or 1 meter is equal to 10 centimeter like this. So do this in your notebook. Thank you, and soon I'll assign you an activity based on this mapping.